Hello everybody, today we're going to be going over the best CVS deals for October 24th through October 30th. This week we have a lot of good deals specifically on body wash, feminine care, and on some household laundry products that I'm really excited about, so let's get in store and go over the deal breakdowns. The first step to every deal week is to go in the description box down below and hit that first link to print the new printable coupons that came out on October 24th. So those include high value Neutrogena and Johnson & Johnson coupons. There's a bunch of medicine and cold and flu product coupons that came out, including a high value $5 off one Mucinex, and there's also of course new beauty products, makeup, and shampoo. So definitely drop down in the description box, hit that first link to print the new printable coupons. This week the Irish Spring body wash is 2 for $8, and when you buy 2 of them you're going to get back a $2 extra care buck. So I'm going to just pick up 2 of them this week. I'll hit that $8 spend amount, and then I'm going to use 2 off 2 soft soap body wash CRTs along with a 3 off 2 soft soap body wash CRT. So I was loaded up this week. I'm also going to use a 75 cent off one printable coupon for soft soap from the soft soap website. I'm going to end up paying 25 cents but get back a $2 extra care buck, making this a $1.75 moneymaker. This week the Dial body wash are $6.49 and they are on sale for buy one get one free. So no CVS or manufacturer coupons required to get the buy one get one free deal. It's automatic. And then I'm going to stack together 2 off 2 Dial body wash CRTs that I got. I got both of them last week. These are going to stack together and give me $4 off my purchase, and I'm going to pay only $2.49 for 2 bottles of body wash, or about $1.25 each. This week the paparazzi nail polish are on sale for 2 for $5, and when you buy 2 of them you're going to get back a $4 extra care buck. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them at hit that $5 amount. I'm going to use this 3 off 2 paparazzi product CRT, and you can see that this CRT does include the nail polish. After the CVS CRT, I'm going to be left to pay only $2 for the 2 bottles of nail polish. Then I'm going to get back the $4 extra care buck for buying 2 of them, making this a $2 moneymaker. You guys know I have to bring you guys the updated news anytime there's a new great rebate app. There is an amazing new rebate app that's going to definitely become super popular, just like Ibotta, and it's called the Get Upside app. Now the Get Upside app is for gas. So it gives you about 25 cents on average per gallon up to your total 12 or 13 gallons that you get when you refill at the pump every single time. That amounts to up to $3 to $4 every single time you refill on gas. To get this app, go to the App Store on Android or iOS and search for Get Upside in the App Store and download the app. To make it even easier, you can open up the description box down below on this video, click the second link that has Get Upside next to it so you can download the app from my link, and you're going to get a $7 bonus on top of signing up and getting money back on gas. Once you sign up through my link, you're going to open up the app and it'll show the gas stations near you and how much money you can get back when you refill through Get Upside. All you got to do is click the claim button next to the gas station that you want to go to, and it will automatically track how much money that you're going to get back, and you can eventually deposit that directly into your bank account. They also have super high percentage cash back on restaurants in your area. So for example, at Popeyes, mine gave me a over 30% cash back rebate. All that money I can deposit directly into my bank account if I claim the offer from the Get Upside app. So again, make sure you open up the description box down below, click that second link to get the Get Upside app. When you sign up through my link using my code, which is K7QR6, or to make it easier, the link in the description box down below. Make sure to sign up so you can be getting up to $3 to $4 every single time you refill at the pump. That will add up super quickly, especially in these times. This week I'm also going to be doing the spend 30 get a $10 extra care buck on select household product deal. I'm going to be picking up a total of 5 items to hit that $30 spend amount limit. I'm going to pick up 1 of the Draft large bottles of laundry detergent that are on sale for $11.94, and then I'm going to pick up a total of 4 products priced at $4.94. One of the Tide Pods, one of the Bounce Dryer Sheets, the Gain smaller size laundry detergent, and the Downy Unstoppables. For digital coupons, I'm going to use the $3 off one draft digital coupon and $1 digital coupons for the Gain, as well as a $1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and a $1 digital coupon on the Downy Unstoppables. I'm also going to be using a $10 off $70 your next purchase CRT on all the items in my haul that do not already have spend amount limit CRTs associated with them. So I am intending for that 10 off 70 to be applied towards the household laundry purchase. After the 10 off 70 CRT and all my digital coupons, I'll pay $15.70, but then get back a $10 extra care book, making it only $5.70 for all 5 items. This week, the ywektyq products are buy one, get one 50% off, and then when you buy 2 of them, you'll get back a $2 extra care book. Pick up 2 of the small count 18 count liners at $1.89 each. It's going to be $2.84 for both of them with the buy one, get one 50% off pricing. And then you're going to get back a $2 extra care book after buying them, making it only 84 cents for both of them. The Summer's Eve feminine care products are buy one, get one 50% off this week, and buy 2 of them and get back a $3 extra care book. Pick up 2 of the Summer's Eve feminine wipes at $3.59 each. Buy one, get one 50% off. 2 of them is going to be $5.39. You're going to use a $1.50 off 2 coupon from the 926 inserts, and then I'm going to use and stack $2 off 2 Summer's Eve feminine care CRT. After the coupons, I'm going to end up paying nothing at the register because my total is actually going to be brought down to 0 after the coupon and the CRTs, and then I'm going to get back a $3 extra care book, making it a $3 moneymaker. This week, the Schwarzkopf hair color is on sale for 2 for $20, and then when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get back a $5 extra care book. I'm picking up 2 of them for $20, and I'm going to use the 7 off 2 digital coupon for Schwarzkopf hair color, and then I also have this 1 free hair color item CRT, and that is for the CVS beauty promotion. For every, I believe it is 7 boxes of hair color, you get 1 free. That'll take off $9. After coupons, I'm going to pay $4, but get back a $5 extra care book, making it a $1 moneymaker. This week, the Not Your Mother's hair care are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 of them, get it back a $4 extra care book. Pick up 2 of the small size, travel size, Clean Freak dry shampoo at buy one, get one 50% off. 2 of them is going to cost $5.53, but you'll get back a $4 extra care book for buying 2 of them, making it $1.54 for both. This week, the Hask hair masks are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2 of them, get back a $2 extra care book. I'm going to pick up 2 of the keratin hair masks at $2.79 each. Buy one, get one 50% off. It's going to cost $4.19 for both of them. I'm going to get back a $2 extra care book for buying 2 of them, and making it only $2.19 for both. This week, select Colgate toothpaste are on sale for 2 for $7.98, and we just got a $7.98 off 2 digital coupons. This is an easy freebie for everybody, including newbies. You'll pay nothing at the register after the $7.98 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you guys do not forget to snap all of your receipts to the Fetch Rewards app. If you're not already signed up for the Fetch Rewards app, you can open up the description box down below and click the Fetch Rewards link down there to download the Fetch Rewards app. The Fetch Rewards app allows you to take photos of all your receipts from any store, and you'll get points back that you can redeem for gift cards. You can get a $4 bonus into your account that you can redeem for a $4 gift card when you sign up using my link down below or code 7YTUA. Select Maybelline cosmetics are on sale for buy 2, get back a $5 extra care book. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Duo brow pencils for $5.19 each. My total for 2 of them is going to come to $10.38. I'm going to use a $3 off instant coupon that we got this week from Maybelline items, and then I'm also going to use 2 $2 off 1 printable coupons that were available last week on any Maybelline product. I'm going to be left paying only $3.38, but get back a $5 extra care book, making it a $1.62 moneymaker. CoverGirl Cosmetics are on a spend $15, get a $7 extra care book promotion this week. I'm going to pick up one of the True Blend concealers for $11.79, and then one of the Perfect Point eyeliners for $7.99. My total for both items is going to come to $19.78. I'm going to use a 6 off 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CRT, and then I'm also going to use a $3 instant coupon that came out last week for CoverGirl items, and then I'm going to use a $2 digital coupon for the face product and $2 digital coupon for the eye product. I'm going to be left paying $6.78, but get back a $7 extra care book, making it a 22-cent moneymaker. Thank you guys so much for watching this deals video for CVS from October 24th through October 30th. Make sure you open up the description box down below to print all the new printable coupons that just came out today on October 24th. That'll be the first link. Sign up for all the rebate apps if you're not already signed up in the description box down below, including Get Upside and Fetch. And check me out on TikTok at kaylakoupons, where I post some shorter versions of deals as well as the best deals of the week for CVS.